Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Tesla charger extension cable on the market, the Ufixed Tesla Charger Extension Cord. If you own a Tesla or are considering one, stick around, because this product promises to make your charging experience much more convenient. This extension cord is a game changer. With a length of 20 feet, it gives you the flexibility to charge your Tesla without worrying about how close the charger is. No more awkward parking maneuvers or hunting for an outlet. Just plug it in and let it do the work. Now, let's talk about what makes this cord stand out. It's rated for 50 amps and 240 volts, delivering a powerful 12 kilowatts of charging capacity. This means you can expect high-speed charging without any loss of energy during the process. In practical terms, that means less time waiting for a charge and more time on the road. The build quality is impressive. The cable is designed with weatherproofing in mind, so it's robust enough to handle extreme temperatures and even rain or snow. Whether you're charging at home or on the go, this cord stands up to the elements, ensuring safety and reliability in any condition. Speaking of safety, the Ufixed extension cord includes short-circuit protection, which adds an extra layer of security while charging. This feature is crucial for preventing potential hazards and gives you peace of mind while your vehicle powers up. Using the cord is incredibly straightforward. Just plug it into your Tesla's charging port and the other end into a compatible outlet. Plus, you can monitor your charging progress directly from the Tesla app. Imagine sipping your coffee at a cafe while keeping an eye on your vehicle's charging status. It's that simple. Another great aspect of this extension cord is its portability. It's lightweight and comes with a handy carrying case, making it easy to take along on road trips or to keep in your trunk. Whether you're planning a long journey or just need a reliable charging solution, this cord is designed for easy transport. Think about it. You're at a friend's house, and their outlet is a bit too far from your parking spot. Or maybe you're on a camping trip, and the available power source isn't exactly close to your car. This 20-foot cord ensures you can charge wherever you are, eliminating those stressful moments of trying to find a power source. Now, let's discuss the price. At $189.99, it's an investment, but when you consider the convenience and peace of mind it provides, many users find it well worth it. Plus, with a $10 coupon currently available, you can snag it for a bit less, making it an even sweeter deal. So, to recap, the Ufixed Tesla Charger Extension Cord is the perfect companion for any Tesla owner. With its impressive length, high charging capacity, robust safety features, and ease of use, it really sets itself apart in the market. If you're looking for a reliable way to extend your charging reach, this cord is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Leave your thoughts on this extension cord in the comments below. Until next time, keep charging forward.